World Press Freedom Index is published by the. So this is actually press freedom. Press freedom is mainly about reporters, journalists. So it is published by Reporters Without Borders or Reporters Sans Borders. So here in this explanation part we'll see actually Amnesty International actually it publishes the death penalty report. Death penalty report, that is in which country still death penalty is present. So it is an actually a kind of NGO. This publishes DPR, death penalty report. So this is Amnesty's Reports Without Borders. So based upon the organization's own assessment of the country's press freedom records in the previous year. So it publishes Reporters Without Borders based on the records actually on its own assessment. So it will give that World Press Freedom Index. So what will it exactly reflects? So it reflects the degree of freedom that journalists, new organizations and netizens have in each country. So how liberty or how much freedom the journalists, netizens are enjoying, okay, in their respective country, and efforts made by authorities to respect this freedom. So that is the intention of this World Press Freedom Index. Okay, and the option in the given fourth option, UNESCO was given. So I have added like which are published by UNESCO. UNESCO publishes Global Education Monitoring Report because United Nations, because it is about education and cultural related things. Okay, so Gender Parity Index, UNESCO publishes these two. Global Education Monitoring and Gender Parity reported by UNESCO. This death penalty report by Amnesty International, and Reports Without Borders publishes World Press Freedom Index. So answer is option B. Now we'll discuss the 10th question. So it is, the question has asked about given various sports and the country. So I'd ask you which of the matches are correct. So if you see this thing map actually, so Chabahar Port actually it is located in the country of Iran. So Chabahar Port, Pakistan is wrong actually. Next, Gwadar Port is in Pakistan, right? So Gwadar Port is in not in Iran. So actually the statement should be given like Chabahar Port in Pakistan and Chabahar Port in Iran and Gwadar Port in Pakistan. And Hambantota Port is in Sri Lanka. So this is correct actually. You see the other picture. So Hambantota is in Sri Lanka. Okay. Basically, why this question is framed, because these things are very important. Actually, the concept of string of pearls of China, string of pearls policy of China. Okay, it is this China is building naval bases. Okay, across in and around the Indian Ocean region. Among these are various ports like Sitwi Port, okay, in Myanmar, Hambantota, okay, this Gwadar Port in collaboration with Pakistan and all those things. So these are the things actually. But Chabahar Port is actually, it is an Indian collaboration. So Indian, Iranian and Indian collaboration where it is to counter the string of pearls and to counter the China, Pakistan's also. So, and Chabahar Port is very important in connecting the hinterlands of the Central Asia and also Iran. Okay, so in that way, strategically, financially, commerce-wise, everything. I mean, in various aspects, this Chabahar Port is important for India. Okay, so the answer is only option 2 is correct. Option B is right answer.